Once again, welcome you all my channel Languageism. My name is Gulshan Nawal. Today I will take another language, that is Hungarian. Hungarian is the fourth most hardest language in the world after Japanese, Arabic and Mandarin. It is the fourth most hardest language in the world, Hungarian. Hungarian is also known as Magyar. Magyar. As the alphabets is concerned of this language, there is 44 standard letters, standard alphabets of Hungarian. At least of almost 2-3 letters, for almost letters are the 2-3 variations of the same. That's why the standard letter is 44. What the alphabets are, how they pronounce it, that we see one by one. One more, in English when we say capital letters and small letters. In capital letters in Hungarian they called majuscules. Majuscules is called the capital letters or uppercase, also called the uppercase capital letters, and the small letters are called minuscules. It's also called the lowercase. What the uppercase, what the lowercase of the letters, that we see one by one. The total extended letters of 44 Hungarian letters. Let's see one by one what they are. First letters is A. A is Alma. Alma is apple in Hungarian. And two A in Hungarian, A and A. A is alone. Alone is a dream. This is majusculus and this is minusculus. Uppercase, lowercase. Capital letters, small letters. A is alone. Alone is dream. B is bay. B is banana. Banana is banana. See, it's pronunciation like it's skapa. Kappa is shark. Shark in Hungarian. CS, it's a complete alphabets. CS, soki. Soki is chocolate in Hungarian. D, degele. Degele is food. Flood. Flood in Hungarian. Degeli. Degeli is flood. DZ, it's pronounced like z. Z. Dzip. Dzip is jeep. Jeep in Hungarian. DZS is the complete alphabets. It's pronounced like jets. Ziz. Ziz. Dizem. Jam. It's a jam. E, elephant. Elephant is elephant. And E letter like this above the letter, the sign like this. It's S. A. A is and. Its meaning is and. And F is fa. Fa is tree in Hungarian. G, pronounced like J. Gomba. Gomba is mushroom. GY, J. Jubos. Bos is production. Again, it is means is production. And H is ha. Habuzas. Habuzas is means in agitation in Hungarian. And apart from this H, I is E. Skula. Skula is school. And I letter like this above. So ir is right in Hungarian. J is pronounced like ye. Ye is yo. Yo is good. Good in Hungarian. K, kaksa. Kaksa is a duck in Hungarian. L, lo. Lo is horse in Hungarian. Ly is capital letter, is the whole letter is Ly. Liok is whole. M, ma is today. N, nap is sun. And ny is a complete alphabets. Ny, nyar is a summer. So we have the half done of the alphabets here. Once again, please repeat after me. It's A, B, C, Z, D, Z, E, F, G, H, I, L, Yo, K, L, M, N, Nya. This is half done. We move to on the other side of the this. The half side is there. O. There is 4 O in Hungarian. O, or. Or is nose. O letter like this. Above this symbol. Ora. Ora is watch in the Hungarian. O double dot. That one more letter of O. This O sound. Ole. Ore is old. O letter like this. 2 lines there above the letter. This O. Deep. So O is he or she. P is pay, POC. POC means is spider. Q is Q, R, array, roca is fox in Hungarian. S is sock. Sock is many or much in Hungarian. S. Z. SZ, Zam. Zam is number, is a number. T, Tukor is mirror in Hungarian. TY, Teo in Hungarian. U is Uber. There is 4 U in Hungarian. U, letter like this. U is Yod. Yod is road. U, 2 dots above the letters. Yours is empty. U, letter like this is O. Way is Vasalo. Vasalo is iron. And W is WA. X is xylophone. Y is Ipsiol. There is no words more in Hungarian also. One letter like Y, starting with Y. And Z is zebra. Zebra is zebra. Z is Zeston. Zeston is token. So these are the 44 letters we have covered in this Hungarian language. Once more, we will repeat this half done. O, P, Q, R, S, Z, T, U, O, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z, and Z. So we have covered this all 44 letters in our this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we will see the vowels of the same of Hungarian languages. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.